This is hypothyroidism, which seems to be a continuation on the discussion earlier, which is on hyperthyroidism as well as in the functions of the thyroid gland. Now, when we speak of hypothyroidism, this is a condition whereby the levels of your T3 and T4, collectively called as your thyroid hormones, are low. Okay? And because the levels of T3 and T4 is low, okay, we also have to look at the levels of your thyroid stimulating hormone. Now, the moment that the T3 and the T4 is low, you don't need anything else to confirm whether or not this is a case of hypothyroidism. Basta ubos, automatic hypothyroidism. Sa hyperthyroidism, ang atong gitanaw is the T3 and the T4 if mutaas and the level of TSH is low. Okay, duha atong gitanaw sa hyperthyroidism. But in cases of hypothyroidism, the moment moubos ang imuhang T3 and T4, automatic, it is a case of hypothyroidism. However, even if mulo ang imuhang T3 and T4, we still need to look into the levels of your TSH. The purpose is not to diagnose hypothyroidism, but rather to determine the cause of hypothyroidism. Because your TSH could either be high or it could also be low. If the level of thyroid stimulating hormone is high, then the problem is the thyroid gland itself. But if the level of your TSH is low, then ang kana nga problema is the problem of the pituitary gland. So your TSH is determined not to diagnose hypothyroidism, but to determine the cause. Kung taas ang imuhang thyroid stimulating hormone, but still, taas kaayong thyroid stimulating hormone, but still ubos imuhang T3 and T4, ang problema di ay is your thyroid gland. Pero, kung ubos imong T3 and T4, natural ubos, kay ubos sa di ay ang imuhang thyroid stimulating hormone. So, kung ubos imong T3, T4, and at the same time, ubos di ay ang imuhang thyroid stimulating hormone, then that is not the problem of your thyroid gland, but rather an issue with the pituitary gland. Because if you remember, it is the anterior pituitary gland which secretes your thyroid stimulating hormone para ma-stimulate ang thyroid gland to secrete T3 and your T4. Meaning to say, kung wala kay TSH, wala kay T3, T4. Kung ubos or wala kay TSH, ang basulo nimo is the anterior pituitary. Pero kung nitaas imuhang TSH, pero still ubos imong T3, T4, ang basulo nimo is the thyroid gland. Okay? So let me summarize that. In the case of hypothyroidism, the only thing we look into is the low levels of T3 and T4. We look into the TSH not for purposes of diagnosing your hypothyroidism, but for purposes of determining the cause. Such that, if taas imuhang thyroid stimulating hormone, pero ubos gihapon imong T3, T4, unsa man nga case, it's a problem of the thyroid gland. Pero kung ubos ang thyroid stimulating hormone, natural, ubos po na imong T3, T4. Pero kinsa may imong basulon, sa day na ni thyroid gland, dili. Kay di man si thyroid gland ang mo-secrete sa thyroid stimulating hormone, but rather, it's the pituitary gland. Okay? Now, hypothyroidism is very simple. Nga naman, because it is the exact opposite of your hyperthyroidism. Okay? Still, glucose plus oxygen is equal to ATP and heat. Okay? So because ubos ang imuhang T3, ubos ang imuhang T4, then the rate of metabolism, the rate upon which this would happen will likewise be low. Okay? Such that if dili nimo magamit ang imuhang glucose kay hinay ra ang paggamit niya, hinay ra ang metabolism, then you will develop your weight gain. Okay? And because glucose has not been used, it will be stored in the body in the form of fat. So mutaas pod ang imuhang fat, or there will be an increased risk for atherosclerosis. Di ba class, when glucose is not used by the body, it will be converted into fat and stored in the liver. Okay? So when you don't use your glucose, you gain weight, and you accumulate fat. Okay. How about if the level, no? If the level of your power, no, if the level of your energy or power is low, what will the patient manifest? You will also manifest, no? There will be um reduced levels of your vital signs. So maubos imong heart rate, maubos ang imong BP, okay? Maubos ang imong temperature, maubos ang imong respiratory rate. So all of your vital signs will go down because you don't have the power to do so. If you don't have the power that you need, you will manifest weakness. Okay? You'll be weak. You will feel fatigue. Okay? Kapoy ang lawas. And as well as the function of your brain, hinay po. Kay hinay man ang imong power. And we call that class as your brain fog. Okay? Kanang loading ba? Pensum 1. O, tawag ana class, brain fog. So ay kumpiyansa. Kung gidiscuss na, kunya gamay kag score, basi naa kay hypothyroidism. Kay naa kay brain fog, nag-loading. Okay? So kung hinay ang imuhang power, hinay pud ang imuhang menstrual cycle. So you will develop amenorrhea. So kaninang amenorrhea is the absence of menstruation. Okay? Ang imong buhok hinay pud ang production. So there will be thin hair, no? And because thin hair easily falls, you will have hair loss. Okay? Kung nipis kay kag buhok, basi naa kay hypothyroidism. Because of the hinay nga power sa imuhang kidney, hinay pud ang production sa ihi. So you will have oliguria. Hinay ang function sa GIT, hinay ang paghimo sa stools, you will have constipation. Okay? You will have constipation. How about if hinay ang production sa heat? What will the patient manifest? The patient will feel tugnaw. Wa siya'y heat man. Tugnaw, gaksa, di ba? So kung wa siya'y heat, tugnawunon. So there is what we call as cold intolerance. Okay? So kanang mo reklamo nga tugnaw, bisan dili bugnaw, o basi na kay hypothyroidism. And if your hyperthyroidism is gipaningot tungod sa kainit, ikaw pod kay nag-uga. Okay? Wa mabisbisi. You are dry. Okay? So these are the symptoms of hypothyroidism. What do you notice in hypothyroidism? Everything is low except your weight. So exact opposite ra na sa imong hyperthyroidism. Balihon ra na nim. Okay? Now, if in hyperthyroidism you have a case of thyroid storm, okay? Kung sa hyper you have thyroid storm, what do you call hypo? What do you call it in hypo? You call it as mixed edema coma. Okay? Kung sa hyperthyroidism, taas imong vital signs, imong heart rate, imong BP, taas, mao na nag-arrhythmia ka, you call it as thyroid storm. Pero kung ang imong BP ubos, imong heart rate ubos, imong temperature ubos, imong respiratory rate, imong vital signs ubos, then you will be in a state of coma. And what do you call that kind of coma? You call it as mixed edema coma, which is a complication of severe hypothyroidism. Okay? So now, if you have hypothyroidism, what would be our drug of choice? What do we give our patients? We give levothyroxine. Okay? Your levothyroxine is a synthetic thyroid hormone. Okay? Since di man ka nag-produce og T3, T4, uinom na lang kag T3, T4, levothyroxine. But to be very practical about it, kanang levothyroxine is actually just T4. Naputay tambal nga T3 ra, naputay tambal nga combination of T3 and T4. But when we speak of the drug of choice, what is the drug of choice? Levothyroxine. And it should be taken before breakfast. Okay? And it should be taken at the same time of the day. Meaning, if mo inom kag alas 7, ugma alas 7, sunod ugma alas 7, kung naabtan kag alas 8, ayaw na og inom og tambal for that day. You have to drink the medication at the same time such that when it is missed, no, at that given time, you should not drink that medication anymore for that day. You drink it again at the same time the next day. Okay? So very short, that is our hypothyroidism.